Hello, my name is Nancy Divedi and you are watching Nishpash Dainik Khabar. Delhi is the capital of India. People come here with dreams of a better life. But today, in this same Delhi, hundreds of families are forced to live on the road under plastic sheets in extreme cold. The question is, why did the Uttar Pradesh government seal 300 houses in Delhi? And when people are suffering on the streets, where is the Delhi government? The incident happened in Masjid Colony located in Ali Village, Okhla, South Delhi. On 15 December, the Uttar Pradesh Irrigation Department sealed around 300 houses in this colony. According to the UP government, the land is 8.48 acres. The land belongs to UP Irrigation Department. The action was taken after an order of the Delhi High Court, but the residents tell a different story. This is, no notice was given. Officials came suddenly with police and workers. Household items were thrown outside. Houses were sealed immediately. 32-year-old Shabana lives in Masjid Colony. Her house has been sealed since 15 December. She says, when our house was sealed, my children were returned from school. Police came with officers and laborers. They threw our belongings outside. Half of our things are still locked inside. Shabana adds, the government talks about educating girls, but we are sleeping on the road. How will our daughters study? They took away our roofs. Today, Shabana and her children are living under a plastic sheet in the cold. At night, the temperature falls to 6 to 7 degrees Celsius. Small children, elderly people, women, all are sitting near bonfires to suffer. There is no toilet, no water, no electricity. Many women say they have not bathed for days. Jyoti, 23-year-old, is 8 months pregnant. She said, I need the toilet again and again, but our house is sealed. Life has become very difficult. 60-year-old Shamina lives with 18 family members. Just days before sealing, her daughter-in-law gave birth to a baby boy. Because of the cold, the newborn and the mother were sent to relatives' house. The rest of the family still sleeps on the roadside. The madrasa next to the mosque was also sealed. The mosque Imam Muhammad Abadin says, more than 500 officials came without notice. They did not seal the mosque but sealed the madrasa. Police broke the water pump as well. He alleged that when he protests, police misbehave with him. Iqbal Khan, 17-year-old, studies in class 10. He is physically disabled and his father worked as a cleaner in the metro. Iqbal said, they cut electricity and water. The meter was removed. There is no light at night, so I cannot study. If this continues, I may miss my board exams. Danish Malik, 24-year-old, a Delhi University student, says, my family has lived here for 3 generations. We have Aadhaar cards and voter ID. Still, our house was sealed without warning. Just 500 meters away is Peer Mohalla. About 1500 families live here. The UP Irrigation Department also claims this land. People fear they may be the next victims. The case is being fought by Supreme Court and Delhi High Court lawyer Anuj Kumar Garg. He says people have lived here for 50 to 60 years. Some families for over 150 years. Under the Limitation Act 1963, if the government does not take action for 30 years, the land can become adversary possession. He adds the land has not been properly demarcated. Until that happens, people cannot be called illegal occupants. Cases are pending in Delhi High Court and Saket Court. Next hearing 13 January 2026. A new case has added Delhi government, LG, DDA, central government. No response has come so far. UP officials claim they won the land case in 2002. Court order possession on 13 December. Sealing on 15 December followed court orders. This is, they will follow the court's future decisions. Advocate Kunal Yadav explains, before independence, UP managed Yamuna River canals. Flood control and irrigation required land near the river. Many agreements between Delhi and UP allowed UP to retain control. Land transfer was never fully completed. That is why UP still claims land in Delhi. This is not just a land dispute. It is about children's education, women's safety, elderly health, human dignity. When people are freezing on Delhi street. Where is the Delhi government, and should people be punished before the final court decision? My name is Nancy Divedi and you are watching Nishpaksh Dainik Khabar.